Have you ever wondered how the simple act of water flowing can light up an entire city? It's a question that captures the essence of hydroelectric power. This is the marvel of engineering that allows us to harness the energy of moving water to generate electricity. At the heart of this process is a basic principle: the conversion of kinetic energy from flowing water into mechanical energy, and it doesn't stop there. This mechanical energy is then transformed into electrical energy, powering our homes, businesses, and cities. Now you might think, that sounds great, but why does it matter? Well, hydroelectric power is a renewable energy source. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to climate change, the energy we derive from water is constant and clean. As long as rivers flow and rain falls, we have a source of energy that doesn't pollute our atmosphere or deplete our planet's resources. This is the true power of water. Indeed, the power of water is not just in its ability to erode mountains, but also in its capacity to generate electricity. So how does this incredible conversion of energy happen? Let's start with the dam. Imagine a giant wall stretching across a river, holding back tons of water to create what we call a reservoir. This reservoir acts as a sort of natural storage tank, allowing us to control the flow of water that will eventually be used to generate electricity. Next, we have the powerhouse, which houses the turbine and the generator. The turbine is a critical component, acting like a giant water wheel. Its blades are designed to catch the water flowing from the reservoir. As the water rushes past, it pushes against the turbine blades, causing them to spin. This spinning motion is where the magic happens. The turbine is connected to a generator, and as the turbine spins, so does the generator. Inside the generator, we have a rotor spinning within a stator. The rotor is full of magnets, and as it spins within the stator, which is full of copper coils, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field pushes and pulls electrons in the copper wires, creating an electric current, which is essentially electricity. Lastly, we have the transmission lines. These lines act as the highway for electricity, transporting it from the hydroelectric power plant to homes, schools, and businesses. But it's not just about creating electricity. It's about harnessing the natural power of water. The same water that was once falling as rain, flowing in a river, is now spinning a turbine, lighting up cities and charging our devices. And remember, this process is renewable. The water used doesn't disappear, it returns to the environment to be used again and again, creating a sustainable cycle of energy production. So the next time you switch on a light or charge your phone, remember, it might just be the power of water making it happen. Hydroelectric power isn't just about generating electricity, it's about making a difference. Indeed, this form of energy brings forth a plethora of benefits that makes it a compelling option in the quest for a sustainable energy future. Let's consider its renewable nature. Hydroelectric power is derived from the energy of falling water or fast-running water, which is a resource we're never going to run out of. This makes it a sustainable energy source that we can count on for the long haul. Then there's the aspect of reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Unlike many traditional forms of power generation, hydroelectric power doesn't burn fossil fuels. This means it doesn't contribute to the accumulation of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, helping us combat climate change. Another key benefit is the stability and reliability of hydroelectric power. This form of energy can be produced consistently, providing a steady and predictable supply of electricity. This is particularly important for the stability of the power grid, especially in times of peak demand. In the grand scheme of things, the potential of hydroelectric power in contributing to a sustainable energy future is undeniable. It's a clean, renewable, and reliable energy source that can help us mitigate climate change and secure our energy needs for generations to come. Hydroelectric power, while harnessing the force of nature, is indeed a force for good. We've journeyed through the world of hydroelectric power. What are the key takeaways? We've delved into the mesmerizing power of water, the force that has been harnessed to generate electricity. The principle is simple yet profound. Water under gravity spins turbines, which in turn generate electricity. This process, known as hydroelectric power, not only illuminates our homes but also fuels our industries. We've also explored the deep-seated impact of hydroelectric power. It's a renewable, sustainable form of energy that does not directly emit greenhouse gases. It's a boon in our fight against climate change, providing us with a cleaner, greener future. Moreover, the potential of hydroelectric power is vast and untapped. With technological advancements, we can harness more of this power, further reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. So, let's not forget the significance of every water droplet. It's not just a source of life, but also a source of light and energy. Remember, every drop of water has the potential to light up the world. That's the power of hydroelectric energy.